how to hide your likes on Twitter. First, open your Twitter. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more informative content like this. So, as you know, in Twitter, you can see liked videos. If you go to profile and scroll all the way to the side, you can see the liked posts right here. And I'm going to show you how to hide it. First, go to your profile and open settings by tapping on the settings and privacy. From here, you can go to privacy and safety right here. And from here, you can tap on audience and tagging, the first option. And from here, you can turn on protect your posts and videos. This should hide your liked videos. But I think after the previous update, Twitter has now made the likes private, so no one will be able to see your liked posts. So before the update right here, Twitter has made your liked videos private, so no one will be able to see them. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.